عليكم ورسوله والمؤمنون والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد خاتم الأنبياء والمرسلين والسلام عليكم جميعا. بدنا نحكي كبريانوس هو اللي هيعمل الكوندكت السيمينار. الهدف من السيمينار هو التحليل الفني. التحليل الفني هو اللي بيساعدنا كعاملين في الخزينة والاستثمار نعرف امتى المواقع اللي بدنا نشتري فيها، المواقع اللي بدنا نبيع فيها، امتى كيف اتجاه السوق. هذا معني في سوق الاسهم equities stocks وفي العملة foreign currency والسندات اذا بدكم سكوك bonds and equities. So this is just an introduction of what the technical analysis is all about.
Let's go for technical analysis, right? Technical analysis is practical analysis, right? 10 o'clock, we have this share, the property share, right? So let's suppose it was 10 yesterday. So today it doesn't mean that it's going to open at 10. The first trade that is going to be, I don't know, maybe 10.1. I'm selling, somebody wants to sell, let's say, 100,000 shares. And another guy goes to buy 100,000 shares, and the price that they match is 10.1. Right? Last trade of the day, we call it close price. That's so simple. All right? Now, to have a chart, we join now all those dots. See? And this is my chart. Right? This is for 1 day chart. Right? I take the open, I take the last one, which is the close, and this one is the highest of the day, all right? So the high, and this one is the lowest, all right? This movement, we call it the direction of the market. How can you say the direction? Okay, so we call it trend, right? So what is a trend is the direction, is where it's going, up. Okay, it's not going to go like this. It's going to go with some days up, some days down, then more days up, and then more days down, and then more up. But finally it's going up. So if it's going like this, the direction of the chart is going down, it's a downtrend. Don't buy it. If it's going up, okay, it's good, right? So, but sometimes it's going like this. Up to the level, down, up to the level, down. That means we don't know what's going on. That means the prices, we are staying around the level. The system, right? So the correct money management, how much you have to input in the market now, and then the psychology. If you know this stuff, then we give you a software for free. We don't charge you anything. So, and you check the markets, we check this. We are going to have the software for the analysis. We are going to have the platform, this is the name of the software, so that we are going to trade, buy and sell, and we are going to do it real trading, right?
Hi, it's Maysa Al-Bakir from Bank of Khartoum. The very interesting thing that I learned that how to make a fast decision about when to buy and when to sell.
The most important thing I have learned today is that the range comes first, then the news. And at the past, always we think that news make the ranges or the trends. Thank you.
Mohammed Khalafallah, Saudi Sudanese Bank. The topic is very good for me. Before this topic, I know one topic, fundamentals analysis only. This is the first time for me. I will use it in my work for the future. Thank you.
My name is Abdullah Ahmed from Qatar National Bank, QNB. I think the instructor is very good because provide full information when we need to take decision for buying or selling currencies.
From Islamic Development Bank. I have learned from the seminar that I can follow and read the international market. I can easily understand now
Mr. Yusuf
what's
Abdul Majid
going on.
from Sudanese French Bank. Now I'm interested for this seminar and interested for the subjects and very good. And I hope that to make in deal room and how to buy, how to sell in. And there's also the charts of these points and graphics. All this I understand now, and I can make in the futures how to do it. What about this course?
Thank you very much.
Harun from Bank of Khartoum. On behalf of myself and my colleagues, I say thank you a lot for the lecturer. By now, I think all of us, I think we saw such diagrams, and by now we know what these diagrams means. And by now we know that the technical is the practical. And I think this is as introductory is very nice. And I think we need more from the lecturer to come back again in Sudan and give us more.
Bank of Khartoum. I think the most interesting that I learned today is know exactly where the trend is going, up or down, not to take a quick decision.
Export Development Bank Sudan. The most important thing I learned that how to read the chart and how to make a quick decision
Sudan
in the right time.
Treasury Department. I like the way you study this lesson. It's very nice and very. We are all interested in this lesson, and we learn about the stock change. Thank you.
It has been a pleasure for me to know all who is available here today in the course, especially you. And I learned the chart and the best time to buy and the best time to sell, which I didn't have an idea before.
Salam Bank, Electronic Payment Channels, IT Department. Actually, first of all, I would like to thank Bank of Khartoum to invite us to attend this seminar. Actually, my experience, I have no ideas before regarding stocks and shares and something like that. But really, I'm very interested the seminar. So I think I have more to think in the near future to learn more, and also I think to develop some chart or some program or software to to lead our my colleagues in the related department. So really thank you also.
Gold Directorate. I enjoyed this program and I interested very well. I know about the capital market and the trends up and down. I gain
what was the best part here?
Many information about the market and how and when I sell and buy. Thank you very much, and I hope to join the other program.
Central Bank of Sudan.
Inshallah.
Good seminar. Today I know how to analyze the financial market and which is a good time of
Trade Department. I'm so interested about the course, especially in the area how to anticipate or forecast the euro prices, because in Sudan here we are suffering from the fluctuation of the euro currency, especially that it is the only currency that can deal in the universal, because the US sanction on the almost Sudanese banks. So all our deals makes in euro currency. So we need like these courses to know how the nature of the euro currency and how the moves of up and down trend. Now we can make a anticipation how the euro go and down to make our right decision of sell and buy.
Good.
Yes, thank you.
Bank.
Okay.
I think for me the best part was this analysis software, which I decided when I buy and when I sell.
Okay.
All right, thank you very much. So,
good information about to know when to buy and sell. I have to check the top of the market, the bottom of the market, and the closing and opening of the market.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. This part.
Najmuddin Mahmoud Dadikir, Central Bank of Sudan. I think the best part that I get from this session, when we know the highest and lowest
role of technical analysis in money market as a whole.
All right. Thank you very much.
Central Bank of Sudan, Foreign Department. The best part of this session, from this session I got, is how to be smart making investment decision and to make my wife to love me.
All right. Good. Very good.
It was a pleasure to have you in Sudan. But honestly speaking, I think for me it was basics. I was expecting more.
Bashir, بنك المال المتحد.
Okay.
Good information, and I hope to more.
Have more, right?
Yeah.
Another one. Okay.
This seminar is good, but the rule of the conclusion, selling high and buy low.
Al-Hussein from Social Development Bank, Foreign Investment Department. I think this seminar is very good, and we know the open and close and high and lowest and the trend.
Mubarak Al-Abdin, Shamal Bank. Thanks for giving us a good idea for the market. I know the close and open price. Thanks for this.
Okay, right. Thank you very much.
Shaib from Biblos Bank, Treasury Department. All information is very rich, and I think so. The best part is the technical analysis and the compared to buying and selling.
Okay, good.
Kamal Amin, Animal Resources Bank. And I think the main thing here is how to use the chart. It is used for the currencies, for commodities, for many things. Before we need to use it as for the currencies, and how to open and the highest and the lower, and when to stop the losses, and when to start to buy, and when to start the sale. This is a good things. Also, your presentation is very good, and thank you for.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Hatim Al-Baghir, Arab Sudanese Bank. I have learned a lot, and I think any trader should depend on technical analysis, but it's not perfect as 100%.
And that's 100%, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Abdullah Bashir Hassan from Durman National Bank, IT Department. I thanks for you and Khartoum officers for this chance. I think this presentation is very good for me. Thank you.
Okay. What was the best part for you?
Okay, I'm Mohammed Mirza from Bank of Khartoum.
Yeah.
The instructor was good, and I was really happy with the material, but it was very introductory.
Thank you.
I'm just waiting for the